So Hamza has been extremely afraid of things like cold water, thunder, so he would go for swimming class and he would just pop out of the water because he wouldn't stay for the duration of the class. Now what I've done is I've ordered a very special suit from him. It's a neoprene 2.5 mm thick bathing suit, like a total wetsuit. So he's going to wear it, and I gave it to him just now, and this is the reaction of what he did. Also, I made a special certificate with his name and everything stating the validity of its claims. Alright, let's see. Now Hamza is wearing a new suit. Okay, a new bathing suit. And what are you doing, Hamza? Can you explain to everyone what exactly you're doing? He is using the coldest water setting, and this one he has put ice inside it. He wants to test his suit and see if indeed he feels cold or not. It looks like it has no effect on him. It's as if, Hamza, this suit is giving you superpowers, isn't it? Yeah. How do you like it? Tell me how you like it.
It feels dry.
Yeah, and?
Because I sit in the water, so I feel like
Right, and do you think that the certificate that they wrote for you is correct?
Yeah.
What did the certificate say? Certificate of Protection. Award given to swimsuit neoprene. What's the name of the swimsuit? Neoprene, right? And it says here, with full protection from cold water, thunder and rain. You will feel very warm. Are you feeling warm in the thing or not, Hamza? It says, you're still feeling warm, is it? Wow! Oh, do you want more ice?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to get you more ice, and then you try and see if you still feel cold or not. That means next time you go swimming class, right? I don't think you'll have a problem, will you? What if there's thunder? Do you think this is going to protect you?
Yes.
Yes, exactly. Let me get the thingamajig. Ladies and gentlemen, I am going to present with Hamza this beautiful ice cube. Here, take it. You can put it in your water and then do your experiment. Okay, put it there. It's super cold, right? Hamza is pouring the cold water. He's even drinking the water. It's freezing temperatures here, but he has no effect. There is no effect because he's wearing this very, very magical swimsuit. That is a bit gross. That is a bit disgusting. Can you not take the okay, never mind. It's okay, it's clean water anyway. Wow. Let's show you when we take out Hamza's swimsuit, he's going to be completely what? Dry. So first step is we remove this thing here. Then remove this thing over here. Now as you can observe, his skin is totally dry. It's as if you didn't even go in the water. What kind of magic is this, bro? Why do you want to zip it back again? Wait, come here. Okay, I'll zip it back again. Looks like he's still not afraid of the cold water anymore, or the lightning, or the thunder. Okay, why don't you call me when you're done, okay? Call me when you're done. I'm just going to lie on my bed for a while. Thanks.